I know you have a lot of experience in so many fields around just video and everything. Maybe you can introduce yourself and what you are doing at Wolf Media, because basically you are working at Wolf Media in my company. And what's your role? What you do on a daily basis?
So it's changed quite a lot over the years, because I've been working for you for about 2.5 years now, I'd say, or almost 3.
It's been a long time.
It's been quite a long time. But yeah, I'd say so. My main role when I started out was being a videographer for the French side of the company. We did a lot of YouTube stuff, marketing, and occasionally we flew out to France and filmed a few things with some clients. But now, because of COVID and the pandemic, kind of being a bit more flexible with the roles we're doing. So I've taken on a few marketing roles, like doing Google Ads and all of that. That's been quite an experience.
So yeah, I really think, just to interrupt you for a second, I really think that experience you had a few months ago is really worth the share, because basically we aren't going to talk about this right now in this episode, probably in a future episode, but I really think that this experience you had just using this budget we had on Google Ads and just investing in ads to make more revenue for our companies was really nice, and we had a ton of success about it. So anyway, this was pretty interesting just to see how you have made this pivot, I would say. Like, you've been changing over the past few years, and you started as a videographer, and basically today you are doing many different marketing and even funnel things, basically.
Yeah, well, it all kind of is linked together, because obviously I started off just making videos, but that was linked towards marketing funnels and other stuff to do with YouTube and selling products. And now I guess just developed a bit more into the marketing side of the content creation.